Bye bye Bali. This is Bali airport.
Going back to America.
No, we're going back to Surabaya, bro. Oh, you want to go back to America already?
No.
Our adventure just started, bro. Yeah, I think that's the manager.
I wonder what happened to people.
Security check.
Mama.
First stop, we're gonna eat at Nini Towong. Let's go.
So this is kerupuk ikan, fish cracker. So yummy. Okay, this is es Nini Towong. Check this out. Whoa. Oh, a lot of in it. Let's try.
Minumnya belum datang nggak?
Really good.
What is this?
Bakmi ketoprak.
Bami ketoprak.
So yummy.
Bami, bro.
Yeah. Try. Really good.
Wait, why is the rice like that?
Nasi gudeg special.
Yeah.
So what do we have here?
Me? Yeah,
There's
that's me.
egg. There's the meat. Alright, let's try this. Oh, this is hard. Hati ya, Beb?
Ada hati, ada rebelah, ada cecek, ada gudeg.
Okay, let's try this out, guys. Yeah. Wow, it's very tasty.
This is the tripe, but heavily marinated, sweet flavor. It's really good.
Right.
Yeah. Really good.
The spicy one here, the meat. This is some, I don't know what it is, but it looks very good.
Dawat durian. You know durian, my favorite food. Let's find the durian. Ooh, this is the durian. Let's eat it, guys.
Good?
The best. My dominance has arrived.
I also have the fried chicken.
I'm getting out this rice.
Yeah, show me the chicken and what? Show me the... Okay, never mind.
Oh, sorry.
Done. So apparently Nini Towong, this is the original place. Since they are becoming successful now, they are opening a brand new restaurant here. So 2 new places, big parking area. See here, big parking area here. Second stop, we are going to try the serabi. I have no idea what that is. It's a homemade food, snacks from Solo. Very authentic. I think it's gonna be our first time trying it. This just looks like a fried... I don't know what that is. Oh, it's banana. This is... I have no idea what that is.
Yummy.
It looks like chocolate. So we ordered one already. Come with a very nice box.
Yeah.
Oh, alright.
This is the plain one, the original.
So they have plain original and chocolate. This is the plain.
Very good.
That's right. Cookie thing.
Kasih tahu tak percaya.
Yummy.
Wow, this is actually good. Stop number 3, we're gonna try the bakery here. It's called Solo Bakery. Let's go. Typical bakery. What kind of bakery do we have here? Next stop, tahu tupat kupat. Let's go. That's how they make the tofu. Okay. So they have these tofu noodles and vegetable. I honestly do not know how to eat this. This is the first time, so let's go. Oh, hati-hati, kita nggak pakai lontong, Bet.
Pakai telur nggak?
Telur pakai. Es puter.
Mana orang?
Hello.
Wait, local snacks here.
Wow.
Ini yang dijulit yang mana? Tanpa tape apa pakai tape?
Tape dulu aja. Semuanya pakai tape. Tuh tape.
Oh, duluan. Kamu?
No, I don't have.
You don't have tape?
Yeah, this is for kungkung.
Oh, for kungkung. I really hope we don't get any stomach ache today.
I'm not eating.
Let me try.
You share with Coco.
I love it, but see if I like it.
Yummy, no?
No, thank you.
Jadi, makan. Really good.
Get some egg, the tofu. Let's go. Wow, it's actually good. You like my right? It's actually good. So we are currently in Solo right now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, consider subscribe. We have more places to go. Surprisingly, they guys sing Christian songs, Indonesian Christian songs. This is so nice, man. Just different atmosphere, eating here and then listening to Christian music. Priceless. We are staying here at Stone Solo for tonight. And look at the kids, so noisy. What are you guys playing? Room tour. Let's go. Alright, we're on the 7th floor. Let's check out the restroom first. The bathroom. Very nice, very spacious. Look at that. I like it. Oh, we got a welcome fruits, everybody. So we have peanuts, we have bananas, we have fruits. That's nice. Of course, the TV also welcoming you guys too. We have, this is king size?
Yes.
King size and one
Extra.
bed for the kids.
Oh, wow.
It's gonna be 4 of us here, so 3 of us gonna sleep here, and then Gabriel probably sleep over here. And I think we're gonna have a nice sunset view as well, maybe. Look at that. Let me see. I'm gonna show you outside. Wow, this is Solo, everybody.
Oh yeah.
Welcome to Solo.
Ito na welcome ano ni. Look at these. Check out the fridge.
The welcome water. Can you get one of these, Sayan? Whoa, wow. All right, let me see. This is you can open it. Let me try. Open it.
The blue one. There are 2 bags.
Water with watermelon. What other fruits is that? I have no idea what fruits. Let's try this out. Just regular water fruits. So this hotel also give us the complimentary bakso. Something like this. This bowl bakso.
Ikan.
Bakso ikan?
Yes.
Some crackers.
Yeah.
Next up, we're going to eat here. Let's go.
Papa, he coming.
Coba ya. Ya, itu aja dulu. Nasi putihnya?
Ini satu ayam, Pak ya?
Ini satu.
Oh, one chicken. Ini apa namanya, Pak?
Sup buntut.
Oh, sup buntut. Oh.
Sup buntut sapi.
Oh. Fried calamari.
Kok saya susah. Ini paha.
Supnya.
Iya.
Iya. Iya.
What is this atrocity?
So what you think is
Shrimp.
Oh, okay. Who's your favorite cookie? Like
Done. Good morning from Solo. We're having breakfast right now. We're currently in Solo. This is what hotel is it called again? Aston. The next day in Solo, so we are having a big breakfast here in this hotel. And check this out. They have the pool here. Alright, let's start with the indoor breakfast. They have outdoor and indoor. Here we have the fruits, the pudding. This is dessert area here. It's all this sweet bread. Street food.
Bubur kacang hijau. Kamu mau?
Kuning ya?
Yes.
Sama tahu acar.
Iya, mau dibuat apa, Mama?
Enggak apa-apa makan.
Ambil cewek.
Makan dikit-dikit. Iya.
Kondimen tempe tahu.
This area here is gerobak Nusantara.
Kacang panjang bumbu kuning. It's like
This
the
is string bean.
Yeah.
String bean with their special
Yellow
sauce. Whoa, let's get some vegetable.
You want veggie?
Yeah, just a little bit of this.
White rice. This is nasi goreng sambal hijau, so it's spicy with the green chili.
And that is...
Papaya.
Oh, this is the bubur. Soto ayam. Coffee. Oh, I forgot the sugar. Let's try the nasi kuning here. Indonesian's breakfast here is crazy. Good. This is the nasi goreng sambal hijau. Chicken. It's not spicy at all. It's good. Yes, quite good. This is the fish. Try the noodle. This is the one that is with the noodle inside. Mi acar. Yeah, let's try this. Yeah, it's very good. It's very tasty. You try to get the noodles, the tempeh, the tahu. There you go. More food here. So this is the what do you call this? Something noodle. Whoa, you okay? All right, let's continue. Very good. Have a playground here. Sign, you have to take off your sandal.
Okay, you have to take off your sandal.
Okay, sandal off.
Sandals off. So what?
It's us.
If you're in Indonesia, especially during the road trip, any chance if you see someone's like selling here on the street, you gotta try it. So it's good. We're gonna bring some to the cars, to the fans on the way to Jogja for snack in the car.
Namanya Holland, pisang Holland.
Solo Bakery. So we actually came here yesterday. They don't have it, so we have to order, special order it. This apparently sold out pretty quick. So this morning we came here and picked up the cake. What do you call this again?
Molen.
Molen. Alright, first bite.
Makan.
What's inside there?
Banana and chocolate.
Banana and chocolate. Alright, let me try. Good.